There we go. All right. Today's objective is to take this pool wall down. I've got no idea what I'm doing, but I think I watched enough videos to figure it out. As you can see, it's completely rusted out. So I got all the new equipment from Wilbar, and I noticed a couple things. So if you see this pool wall, there's no like coating around it. It's just the steel. This is the metal that's all rusted out. The new pool wall has this like black rubbery coating, and I'll show you that here in a second. But anyway, that's the objective today. All right, here's the new pool wall wrapped up in this box. Hopefully I can wrap the old one up and tight as a roll as this is, but this thing's pretty freaking heavy. But I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you can see it. See how it's this black coating? The old pool wall does not have that. Now, this is supposed to be a 52-inch Marina salt pool, which makes me kind of think that the pool company, Leslie's, either ordered the wrong salt pool or just gave me what they had on hand. I have no idea. I'm just being a conspiracy theorist. But as you can see, it's just got this black coating, which is absolutely different than the old pool wall. There's all the parts. That's the bottom boots. That's the inner. That's the lower track. I got inner stabilizer bars. The top rails. The only thing they didn't give me new, and I say they, I mean Wilbar, not Leslie's, is this top rail, which is resin, which is okay, no big deal. Top rail, and then these boots right here. So I'll show you what the old pool wall looks like. It's not far. It's rust. Anyway, yeah, you can see right away that there is no coating whatsoever on this. I don't know. I'm a conspiracy theorist, but whatever. So yeah, the objective today is take this pool wall down. I'll start by unzipping all these bolts, which are totally rusted out. They gave me a hardware kit, so I have all new bolts. And I'll do it one at a time. I'll do one upright at a time. Actually, I think I could take all the uprights off, but I'll keep, this is the inner stabilizer bar. This basically gives the whole pool some stability while standing up, so it's not just flopping around. It's not just a big piece of metal flopping around. So each section I get to, I'll take the inner stabilizer bar off as I'm rolling it up. I'll try to. I don't know. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I also have to, I bonded my pool, so I have to also take off this copper. This, I think it's called a bear claw. I have to take these off too. And I think this just sits in this boot. I'm not 100% sure. All right, I got all the top plates off and uprights. So now I got to take this like belt off. This is a 7/16 socket. I don't have one for my impact drill, so I'm just going to go ahead and by hand do that. And then the struggle is going to be real. This is a very heavy pool. I'm doing it by myself, so hope you enjoy. All right, well, so I'm getting ready to take this band off. Well, I took it off, and oops, they're all pretty easy to take out except for the last 5. As you can see, I had to actually get my Sawzall out and cut the actual pool wall around. They were so rusted out, they were stuck. The socket was just stripped, you know, when I put the socket on there. The bolt stripped right out. So, what a pain in the ass. Alright, well, I'm going to get ready to take this off. Looks like I'm going from right to left. to try to roll this up. Here we go. All right, got the pool wall down. I tried to roll it in on itself. I'm not He-Man. I think that thing's like 200 pounds, maybe 100, I don't know. It's heavy as hell. So what I did was I laid it down flat and then rolled it on top of itself. And then put some zip ties on it. And what I'll do now is clean the bottom track up. Try to make a pathway so that water can drain out the back end. And I'm going to keep the tarp just to keep over the sand so no contamination happens. Yeah, and that's it. And I'll record it again on my camera and I'll post it.